CloudHPC now includes a new FDS MESH decomposer. Once you have uploaded your FDS file, just make sure, using the editor for example, that you just have one single mesh line, as we can see in this file over here. If this is your case, you can submit a new FDS analysis under the simulations, select as many virtual CPUs as you want, and select the FDS versions you want to execute. And this is going to activate the FDS MESH decomposer. Once your simulation is actually running, you can detect if the mesh decomposer is been activated using the output section of the view page of your analysis. Now the simulation is about to start, and this is going to provide us information about the mesh decomposer activation. We just have to wait a little bit for the decomposer output to be provided to us. In here we can see the mesh decomposition process, which reports the initial mesh. We have actually entered FDS, the required number of divisions, which is somehow linked to the virtual CPUs which are available, and eventually there is the final number of divisions, which depends on how many divisions the mesh decomposer was actually able to compute. If everything has been positively achieved, you can actually see that the mesh and the simulation is performing quicker. And using the remote desktop, you can actually enter your FDS file and see what's happening in that, in order to see if the mesh has been positively decomposed. So we use the text editor to view what's inside this file. And now we can see that we have 16 meshes, and they are going to allow a better scalability for this particular simulation.